Hello and welcome. I'm back again. My name is Robin and this is my channel. So this is like my third and final video for today. So I am wearing my beautiful necklace that I received from Pink Box Delivery, and I will link that video above. And I am doing one of my only clothing box that I received is Stitch Fix. So let's get into it. Stitch Fix is, you can get it monthly. I get it kind of as soon as I send everything back or when I'm going to keep or whatever. They ship me another one because I have a styling pass. So I will leave the link below. I believe I have a $50 credit. So if you buy something, you get $50 and I get $50. So it's kind of a win-win. So I will leave my link below. And I have been getting such great items. I think the last time I kept 5, the time before, I'm not sure, but I believe I kept something from the box. So they have been hitting it out of the ballpark. So if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you, thank you, thank you. So, you know, my boxes are so tiny. So it's because they were sending me summer clothes. So I did finally get that preview where you can preview like 10 items and kind of pick the 5 that you want. So I actually picked the 5 items that I wanted. So I pretty much know what's in the box. So the first item that I picked was a piece of jewelry. And look at how great they wrap their jewelry. So it is a bracelet. And this is by Macamal from Chicago. So something near and dear to me. And what I like about this bracelet, and I'm going to show you on the card, is it just snaps. So I can actually try it on right now because you just put it on and it snap closes. So how cool is that? And I will can't even talk. I will get close to the camera so you can see it's got like a blue gem in there and pink. So how nice is that? So I'm just going to leave it on. And it comes with a card and it comes with a really nice jewelry bag. And I'll go over the prices at the end. You know, it comes with the style sheet, so it tells you how to style your pieces. And again, I already know what I received in the box, so no surprise. But I did like the fact that they gave you 10 items to pick from. And then your return bag, and I've been collecting these because I haven't been returning anything. And then my bundle, and look at the colors. And it's getting cold in Washington, but it's so hot in Arizona. So I did pick sleeveless items because, again, it's so hot back there. And the first thing I picked is this tank top. And, you know, now that I look at it, obviously I'm going to have to wear a strapless bra because there's no way I can wear straps with it. And it looks a little bit different in the pictures than it does in person. So I'm not sure I can pull this type of top off. And it is by Market and Spruce. So we'll give it a try. And the next top, I wasn't sure about the color, but you know how you're supposed to go outside the box. So It's a pretty like gold color, and this is by Hawthorne, and it's a size large. So I thought I would try pulling this off, but I'm not sure. And then, don't laugh. Oh wait, I'm the one laughing. I went for these shorts. They're by Judy Blue, and they're the tie-dye. Let me know if you own these shorts, and let me know what you wear these shorts with. I just thought they were kind of fun. So I don't even know if I have anything to wear with it, because you almost have to wear a solid. So I'm gonna have to see if I can find something to pull off with these shorts. But I thought they were cute. And the last thing that I picked were a pair of jeans, and these are the Judy Blue. And they're just a pair of straight leg jeans that I can wear with like boots. So I'll be right back with the try-on. Okay, I'm back with the try-on. I left my shirt that I'm filming in until I find a proper shirt for these shorts. But I do have on the Connie Natural Stone Strand bracelet. This is considered light pink. I do like it because I like the way the clasp goes on. Super easy to get on and off. So I do have on the shorts, and they are Judy Blue, the Romina mid-rise tie-dye denim, and they're considered yellow. But I don't know, what do you think? It's gonna be hard to find something that matches. They are the short style, which, you know, I sometimes have a problem with, but they're just so fun. I've got on some light blue tennies with them, but I think they're kind of fun. And actually, Dennis liked these shorts. So I don't know, what do you think? I'll be right back. I have the pair of jeans and 2 tops, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the next outfit. It's a little windy out here. I am wearing the Judy Blue Peter Skinny Jean in navy, size 8, and I think this is the 41 Hawthorne McLean split neck sleeveless in yellow in a large. So here's the top. It's got the split neck. The only problem I have with these tops is they wrinkle really quick, and I will turn around and oops, I'm on gravel here. It does come long, so I do like the fact that it covers everything up, and it kind of covers the tummy. And I didn't bring anything here because I'm packing, but you can put a nice sweater, which I have quite a few in different colors from Stitch Fix. So I'm kind of liking the color. Sorry about that. And then here are the jeans, and I love the way they fit. They have some stretch to them, so even when I eat, I can still move around. And this is how the back fits. And I have them on with a pair of gym shoes, but the length is perfect because I got these so that I can wear boots. And I'll put on a pair of boots because I have one more top to try on, so I'll show you what they look like with boots. But the stretch is great. The material is perfect. My problem is I need to buy some belts because I normally don't wear belts, and then the jeans get saggy. So I do need to find me some belts. But I'll be right back with the last top. Okay, I am back with the last top, and this one really surprised me. This is the Market and Spruce MAC surprise top in orange in a size large. And I wasn't really sure because it's a little racy for me. So I put my straps down. This is actually a strapless bra, but I didn't take the straps off. And I really like it. It's orange. It needs to have the steamer over it because it does have some wrinkles. So it comes up to the top of the jeans, so it's not, you know, the belly isn't really hanging out. And I'll turn around and show you the back. So it comes long enough, and like I told you, I put boots on with these jeans because that's kind of why I bought them, so that I'd be able to wear my boots. So what do you think? As I said, it's kind of racy for me, but this doesn't go through. So it's, you know, stuck on there. So if I bend over, you don't really see anything. And it comes up high enough. I know I have the old lady arms going here, but as long as I can kind of keep my tan going on, it's okay. And again, it's, you know, a little baggy here, but I can throw a sweater on and I think it'll look good as well. So what do you think? I don't know, I'm kind of liking this. I was like, immediately when I pulled it out of the box, I'm like, I'm sending it back because this is just not my style, but I'm kind of liking it. So let's do a recap while I'm here. So again, I picked out all 5 items, so I knew going into it, and I'm really liking this bracelet. So the bracelet is $44, so it is kind of pricey for jewelry, but again, it's hard to fit my skinny wrist, and I like the snap-on. So let me pull you up a little bit. Sorry, flies are going through here. And the Judy blue tie-dye denim shorts in the yellow were $48. Shorts through Stitch Fix to me are always pricey, but they fit really good. The skinny jeans that I'm wearing in navy are $59, which is not bad for Stitch Fix jeans. The top I'm wearing is considered orange is $38, and that split neck that I wore in yellow is $38. So the total price of this box is $227, which is almost a good price because it has the shorts and the jeans and a piece of jewelry. And if you buy all 5, you get the 25% discount, which brings it down to $170 for 5 pieces. Kind of cool. And thanks to one of you, I got a discount, I got a credit, so it brings the order total down to $120. Now they do add tax, and so I still haven't figured out if they base it in Arizona or Washington, so I don't know. So it'll probably be about $130 for 5 pieces. And I really loved all of them, except for that like yellow top. I could kind of do without it, but it's almost like they get you to keep it so that you get that discount. So I don't know, let me know what you think of this fix. Again, I'm really liking this top. I love the jeans, I love this bracelet, so I'm at a loss. So let me know. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget I have that $50 discount. And I'll see you soon.